Another day, another story. Manchester is one of the most interesting cities in the United Kingdom, with a rich history and a thriving cultural scene. Here are some of the must-see attractions in Manchester. The Manchester Museum. This museum showcases the natural history and cultural heritage of Manchester and the surrounding area. From Egyptian mummies to dinosaur skeletons, there is something for everyone at the Manchester Museum. The John Rylands Library. This library, which is part of the University of Manchester, is a stunning example of Gothic architecture and is home to one of the largest collections of rare books and manuscripts in the country. The Lowry. This iconic venue is a popular destination for art lovers and features a variety of exhibitions, performances, and events. The Imperial War Museum North. This museum, located in the heart of Salford Quays, explores the impact of war on people and society. With interactive displays and exhibitions, it's an engaging and educational experience for visitors of all ages. The Manchester Cathedral. This historic cathedral is one of the oldest buildings in Manchester and is a beautiful example of medieval architecture. The People's History Museum. This museum celebrates the history of working-class people and their role in shaping the world we live in today. From the Industrial Revolution to the present day, the People's History Museum offers a unique perspective on the past. Old Trafford Stadium, home of Manchester United Football Club. Old Trafford is one of the most iconic stadiums in the world and a must-visit for football fans. Take a tour of the stadium to get a behind-the-scenes look at one of the most successful clubs in history. The Royal Exchange Theatre. This historic theatre, located in the heart of the city, has been a cultural hub of Manchester for over 150 years. With a diverse program of plays, musicals, and events, there is always something exciting happening at the Royal Exchange. Manchester Art Gallery. This gallery is home to one of the largest collections of art in the north of England and features works by some of the world's most famous artists, including L.S. Lowry, Degas, and Monet. Castlefield Urban Heritage Park. This park, located in the heart of Manchester, is a beautiful green space and a great place to relax and take in the city's history. Take a stroll along the canal and admire the historic buildings and bridges that surround you. Manchester Central Library. This stunning building, with its grand entrance hall and beautiful interiors, is one of the largest public libraries in the UK and a cultural landmark of the city. Whether you're looking for books, music, or simply a quiet place to work, the Manchester Central Library has something to offer. Affleck's Palace. This quirky, independent shopping centre is a cultural institution in Manchester and a must-visit for anyone who loves shopping, art, and vintage finds. The Science and Industry Museum. This museum, located in the heart of the city, is dedicated to exploring the impact of the Industrial Revolution on Manchester and the surrounding area. With interactive displays and exhibitions, it's a fascinating place to learn about the history of science and industry. The Albert Square. This iconic square, located in the heart of the city, is surrounded by beautiful buildings and monuments, including the Town Hall and the Central Library. It's a great place to relax, people watch, and admire the architecture. The Northern Quarter. This bustling neighborhood, located in the heart of the city, is known for its eclectic mix of independent shops, bars, and restaurants. From vintage boutiques to cutting-edge cafes, the Northern Quarter is the perfect place to experience the quirky side of Manchester. Manchester is a city with a rich history and cultural heritage that offers a wide range of interesting and unique attractions for visitors. Whether you're a history buff, an art lover, or simply looking for a great shopping experience, Manchester has something for everyone. From the iconic Old Trafford Stadium to the quirky Affleck's Palace, this city is a must-visit destination for anyone exploring the United Kingdom. With its beautiful architecture, fascinating museums, and bustling neighborhoods, Manchester is a city that truly has something for everyone. Thanks for watching.